Here are 6 YouTube title best practices. The last one is probably the most important one you need to pay attention to, so stick around for that one. Number 1 is to keep your YouTube title in between 60 characters. The reason is because when people see your YouTube title, they have to comprehend what it means. If it's cut off, part of the context of the title is cut off. Therefore, people are less likely to click on it. Number 2 is make sure you make your YouTube title as simple as can be. If people can't comprehend your title, don't click on it. To do this, make sure you make it as concise as can be and make sure it's easy readable. Number 3 is make sure your title compels the viewer to click. To do this, focus on these elements, these human elements. Number 1, make sure you know what your viewers want. Number 2, make sure you know what your viewers fear. Number 3, their goals, your viewers' goals. Number 4, what's in the way. This can be the way of the goals or the way of the wants. If you make titles based off your target audience wants, fears, goals, what's in the way of all that, they're more likely to click. Number 4 is to make sure you don't clickbait your viewers. Let me put you inside your viewers' shoes. Okay, imagine you just hopped on YouTube and this video catches your eye. It's so cool, it's so wow. You can't believe it's real. And that's exactly what it is. It's clickbait. What are you more likely to do when you see that channel again, those videos recommended to you? Where you 1, click, or 2, never trust them and never click on the video. If it's option is number 2, you're right. That's because nobody trusts you again and they will never click on your videos. Number 5 is make sure your YouTube titles are easy to understand. See, when people see your YouTube title and they go, huh? What is that? I don't understand. I see this oftentimes on my homepage. I see videos don't see the potential because I don't understand what the heck the video is about. So don't make the same mistake of another new YouTubers are making and make your YouTube titles easy to understand. Number 6 is make sure you make your thumbnail title. Let me ask you this. Have you ever watched a video and it promised something you wanted, but as soon as you clicked on the video, it didn't deliver? Well, this is most likely because the creator of that video did not make the thumbnail title before it. They just guessed up a thumbnail, guessed up a title that closely represented the video they made was not good enough to actually get people to watch longer and stay in watch. This is why your YouTube title is so important. A good YouTube title that just clicks is not all what makes your videos get views. This video on the screen now will tell you the other essential part to get more views on your videos. Go ahead and watch that and I'll see you there.